Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We're just taking a quick look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, it does look as though it has ran all the way up to the top of this range that we were talking about here. We said this in the past few videos over the past week or so that, you know, once we started to come up here and we were getting a little bit of bullish momentum, that would most likely come and retest this top of this previous level of support as resistance again at the top of this range here. And you can see that's pretty much what we are doing today, getting a little bit of a rejection here. You can see obviously our sell order was triggered here, as you can see, and looking like right now we're currently sitting at around break even. You can see we're into a little bit of drawdown, but getting rejected in this area here. We do have the stop loss set just above these highs here, just in case we do have a bit of a continuation and maybe even a break back up into that previous range, which would be very interesting to see, wouldn't it, considering how long we have been going sideways. We came down and we've been going sideways again really for a long time here, consolidating. But looking like Bitcoin now is getting quite overextended, very overbought right now, running up into that resistance as well. You'd probably expect a rejection here, and we are going to be trading the range until we do see the range break in either direction. And right now looking like the range is getting respected in this area. You can see each time that we have come up to this area, the past 3 times, we have been rejected here, and then we'd probably expect a rejection here as well. So if that was the case, as we said, we'd be looking to target about halfway back down into the range here, dropping about what we're looking at, you know, $1,000-ish for Bitcoin back into the middle of this range. But you know, the market has been looking quite favorable, hasn't it? And to be honest, Ethereum has actually broken out of its little range as well, and quite a few altcoins looking quite promising as well, obviously because of Bitcoin leading the market up for the most part. We could see maybe a continuation here, even a break back into that previous range and a back test. That would be very interesting to see, wouldn't it? Bitcoin get actually, you know, coming back up and breaking a previous support, a previous support resistance, and retesting a support and getting, you know, a continuation to the upside like this would be very interesting. After so long making lower lows and lower highs like this, you could obviously see we may be starting to do something like this with a bit of a curved bottom formation if the bottom was in this area. But for now it's early days, isn't it? And we would say, you know, realistically this trade, we would say most likely would probably work out, considering, you know, how we have been going down, making lower lows and lower highs for a long time here. And every time we get above the EMAs, even for a little period, we do end up rolling over again, don't we? So that would be our analysis for today, guys. Short term we are still bearish, but mid to long term we are showing signs of life, aren't we? And we could potentially be looking at a little bit of a reversal in the markets over the next few months, depending on how wider markets go. So thank you very much for watching indeed. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.